I see everything there.
Okay, just going through town, had a big storm. All the roofing. Of the sailing club. Fuck, I went a fair way if it was got for sailing club. Black out there. Ufana. Down here is where the sailing club is supposed to be. Can't really tell. Looks like it's got its fucking roof on. We're going to church. Taree's the only place that's got a church filled with alcohol. BWS. I think I ate some beer. Gotta get one of them. This is the confession booth. Jack Daniels, hell yeah. Iron Jack, gold, nah, fuck that. Great Northern, that's the go. Cans, nah. Looking for stubbies. Original. That's full strength. I might go to the mids. Coronas. Coopers, that's the go. New. Mixed drink side. What's over here? Great Northern. Coopers. Melbourne Better. Carlton Draft. The winner is Iron Jack with a staffy. 47 bucks. Driving around behind the church. It's tight. Done our confession. Time to go drink some. That big wind's coming through and blew this tree over. Over against the power lines. Just up round the corner from our place. Wow. Okay, time to get drunk.